are very happy to welcome you in our science lab in the BSS school, British School of Sofia. Here am I, Miss Polly, the science teacher in the school, to celebrate and to take part of the International Day of the Woman in Girls and Girls in Science. I'm here with some very bright students from grade 9. Inna and Maggie. With them, they will help me to introduce one of the experiments we recently did with our class. So, girls.
Okay, so today we're going to be investigating the factors that affect the rate of reaction, concentration, and temperature. The purpose of this experiment is to observe the effect of concentration and temperature upon the rate of reaction of sodium thiosulfate with hydrochloric acid. Before actually starting the experiment, there are some very important safety precautions we should follow. The most important one is to not inhale any fumes since they're toxic, and if the fumes are too concentrated, then it's best to open the windows. Another safety precaution is to wear our gloves in order not to get any toxic things on our hands, and wash our hands when we're finished with the experiment.
Now we're gonna start with the real experiment. They will use hydrochloric acid and sodium thiosulfate. Using these two solutions, the girl will do only with solutions with the same concentration, and another student, she will present if the solution is a bit dissolved in water. So, girls,
okay, so I will start with mine by adding 10 milliliters of thiosulfate. Okay, that's about enough. And then I will pour it in the flask. After that, I'll take my hydrochloric acid and pour 10 milliliters of that in here. And we should try and be as accurate as possible. Okay, I think that's alright. Then I pour it in the beaker with the thiosulfate. And underneath we have a piece of paper with a cross on it, in order to see how when the reaction will take place and how much time it will take. So now I'll put the hydrochloric acid inside. Okay, and now I'll take my timer and start it. And now we will record the time of how much it will take in order for the reaction to take place. And when the reaction takes place, the cross will disappear, the solution on top will turn white. Okay, so now we just wait. And then at the end, it's very important to record our investigations and how much time it takes. Okay, here it starts turning white. Okay, now the cross completely disappeared, so we stop the timer, and here we see it's 28 seconds and 49. So yeah, and now my classmate Maggie will do the same but with water.
So I will repeat the same exact experiment, but it will be a little bit less concentrated since we're adding water. So we're going to take our water and we're adding 10 milliliters of water. Oh, that's a bit much. Okay, now we'll take our hydrochloric acid and add 10.
Wait, we have to put also the thiosulfate.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And put the thiosulfate as well. 10. Okay, and now we will add both. We can add them at the same time, or almost at the same time. And we start our timer. And now we wait.
And this will take a little more time since it's less concentrated because we added water into it. So yeah, we'll just wait for that. Okay, now the reaction is starting to take place, but it's not fully done.
It's already been 36 seconds and it's still not completely disappeared.
Okay, it's almost there.
Okay.
Okay,
So you can no longer see the cross. And it has been 53 seconds and 31 milliseconds.
okay, and now to compare both, here mine is about 29 seconds and hers is about 53 seconds. And as this proves, this one took more time with the water because it was less concentrated, and that's why it took 53 seconds, and this one 28.
So such experiments and many more we do in our BSS school. So please join us and watch our more videos. Thank you.
Bye.